This is going to be a tutorial on how you can integrate Stripe within Sendx. So firstly, log in into your Stripe account and click on the Developers option in the top bar. On the Developers screen, click on the API Keys tab. Under API Keys, you will have an option to create a restricted key, so select this option. Here, select the first option, providing this key to another website. Here, provide the name of the website, which is going to be Sendx, and also the URL for the website, which is going to be https://sendx.io, then click Create Restricted Key. Once your key is created, it's going to be visible on the screen. So just copy the key by clicking on it. Once you have copied it, go to your Sendx account, and from your team dashboard, click on the profile icon in the top navigation bar, and click on Settings. On the Settings screen, click on the Integrations tab. Here, just click on New Integration. Select the type to be Stripe, and just paste your key in here, and click on Save. And the Stripe integration will be added to your account. Now let's how the customer's data and the payments data will start flowing from Stripe to Sendx. Now, whenever a new customer is added on Stripe, it will also get added as a contact on Sendx. So let's create a new customer on the Stripe's dashboard. When the customer is created, we can go back to Sendx. So the contact for the new customer is created on Sendx as well. We can click on the Info button and go to the contacts timeline for more details. And we'll be able to see that the contact has been created via Stripe. Now, we can also charge this customer and see how the payment data flows. So let's create an invoice for this customer. Once the invoice is paid by the customer, the payment data will also flow to Sendx and will be associated to that contact. So, for this customer, we can go to the info and then to the timeline. And we can see that the first attempt that the customer did, the payment failed on Stripe. And we can see the details that the payment failed, the total amount for it, the currency and the time at which it failed. And in the next attempt, the payment succeeded, and we can see the succeeded payment details as well. Also, back on the contact screen, you will be able to see the lifetime revenue for every single contact, which is sum of all the payments received from Stripe for this contact, which can also be used later in segments to retarget customers. That's it. Thanks for watching.